How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. First of all, I want to give a massive thank you to everybody who joined the live stream on Sunday. We had an absolute blast. I hope you guys did as well. And for anybody who won a prize, congratulations. They're currently being packed and shipped as we speak. But as you can probably tell, I'm not in sunny Scotland anymore. I've actually took a flight out to Mallorca. Me and Mrs. Homebuilt are away on our annual holiday together without the kids. So we've actually got a new project on the go. I picked it up on Tuesday night, about 10 o'clock. I bought it without looking at it. I haven't seen it, I haven't test drove it. I pretty much bought it off a phone call because it was cheap enough. So we collected that on Tuesday night about 10 o'clock. My son-in-law drove it home for me, and the reports I'm getting back off of him is it's not very good. But we flew at 4 o'clock on Wednesday morning, so I haven't even seen the car in the daylight yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut back to Charlie. He's back at HQ dealing with well, let's have a look.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, as you have seen, Dad's in Spain and he's left us here with a brand new bit of stock. I say brand new, it's pretty old, it's pretty beat up, and it's super dirty. So we're going to start on the interior. Right, so it's been about 2 hours now, and interior is not quite finished, but it's looking so much better. There's no half a form in here now. The seats need to dry, but once they're done we can then get the dressing. Me and Shane are going to go out and get a bit of lunch, then we'll come back, we'll get the exterior done, because I know we've not showed you the car yet, but the roof's sort of mouldy. But yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Right, we're back from lunch now, and I think it's time to show you guys the car. So this is our 2005 Suzuki Ignis. It's a 1.5 petrol, it's an automatic, and there's a lot wrong with it. So it's leaking coolant somewhere, it's leaking brake fluid somewhere. But I blow in the exhaust, the bonnet latch doesn't work, and the bodywork's terrible. We walk around here, the bodywork's terrible. There's a big scratch here around the back, the quarter panel's been pushed in. This is the state of the back bumper. There's scuffs everywhere, definitely needs painted. It needs new tyres all round. How you are, mate? Probably some new tyre trims. Wheel trims. So yeah, there's a lot wrong with it. We're going to give it a good wash, cover the car in TFR, get all the mouldy bits off, and hopefully then we'll see the actual state the car's in. But it's not looking good at the moment. Right, so this is Suzuki Ignis all cleaned up now. It's looking so much better. From being honest, it was not looking good, but now all the black bits are off, all of the mouldy bits are off, and it looks so much better. It looks a lot less rusty as well now. I thought Dad left us with a piece of crap, but it's actually turning out alright. We're going to plug the Topdon in now, see what's, because there's a light on the dash, can't mind what it is, but we'll get the Topdon plugged in. But first, you can see a bit of the car all cleaned up. Alright, so we plugged the Topdon in, and a fault code for the pre-lambda sensor came up. It's giving dodgy readings. Shane's having a look at it now, but I think when Dad gets back he can have a further look at it. And I think at the moment I'm actually going to see if I can polish up one of these headlights before it gets too dark, because I really want to see how well they come up, because If you've not seen them, they look quite bad. As you can see, the headlight's looking a little bit rough. I'm going to put some of the 3M cotton compound on it with the machine polisher, see how well it comes up. I don't think it needs wet sanded. I think the other one will, but this one I'm sure will come up fine. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this Halford stuff on, just to fight it out. So I finished up doing both headlights now. This one needs a bit more wet sanding, I think. I'll do that tomorrow when we're machine polishing the whole car. We tested the pre-lambda sensor with a multimeter and it looks like we're going to have to get a new one. We'll confirm it with Dad when he gets back, but it's getting dark now. We'll pack up and then we'll finish it tomorrow.
Right, I'm starting to get a bit nervous now. It's been, what, 2 or 3 days? And I haven't heard from Charlie yet. Normally I get a text message, normally I get some kind of video clip. But for some reason he hasn't been in touch with us at all. And I'm thinking maybe that car, it might be an absolute heap, who knows. He might be in a huff with me for buying a piece of junk, but he needs to see the potential in it, so hopefully he is, and hopefully he's cracking on with it. We're just enjoying a bottle of wine before we decide where we're going for dinner. This place is absolutely stunning, look. We've got a bit of cloud cover came over now, but it's 30 degrees a day. Absolutely gorgeous here. So anyway, hopefully we'll hear from Charlie soon, and the car's not too bad.
How's it going, guys? It's the next day, it's nice and sunny, and I think it's time to get the machine polisher out. Now I was thinking last night, this car isn't actually that bad, and I think it's got loads of potential. I think it's a great little car, and once we've given it a machine polish, it should really pop. Besides, obviously, the lack of peel on the bonnet, but yeah. Wonder what Dad's up to. Probably lying on a beach in Spain. So it's a good few hours later now. The whole car's been machine polished and it looks a lot better. It's also been covered in some QDX graphene from Infinity Wax. If you guys want anything from the Infinity Wax store, you can go over and use code HOMEBUILT. You get yourself a nice little bit of discount. But for the meantime, I'm going to go over all the black trims with a bit of bumper and trim gel, get them nice and black, and then once I've done that, we can finish up the interior, and that should be the rest of the work needing done for the exterior and interior, and the rest will just be mechanical. Right, finally everything is done on the Ignis to clean it, and it's looking so much better. I've just used some of this Infinity Wax dressing to do all the dash and all the plastic trims, and it's looking better, it's smelling better, and yeah, I'm just glad I'm finally done cleaning it. Now, like I said earlier, this has got a bit of an exhaust blow, so when you put the power down, it sounds quite funny. So I'll give you a hear of it now.
So guys, holiday's coming to an end already. I've just been to the shop and picked up some ham and tomato to make a nice lunch. This place is absolutely gorgeous. It's a shame we're leaving early in the morning. It's supposed to have thunderstorms today, but it doesn't look like it.
Alright, well, I'm pretty sure this is going to be the end of the video now. Next week we'll be doing all the mechanical stuff on it, but for the meantime, it's looking pretty good. I'm chuffed with it. It definitely turned out a lot better than I thought. It's a great wee car, and can't wait to work on it more. But for now, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next time. We'll see you in the next one.